Bavdhan. Bavdhan nestles amidst three hills on its southeast and west, and the scenic Pashan Lake in the north has seen gradual growth in the form of planned development. Bavdhan has grown to be one of the most preferred residential localities in the western Pune because of its perfect location and the steady development. It is well connected to Kothur, Poud Road, Banir, Aund, Hinjewadi, Pashan, University Circle, SUS via excellent roads. The railway station is about 15 km away and the airport about 22 km away. Sutarwadi, Abhinav College and Bavdhan village are the major stops for PM-PML buses that cater to passengers. Pashan, preferred locality of software professional for safe environment particularly for late night shifts, easy availability of public transport, proximity to banks, markets, hospital, etc. It is quite green as compared to other areas of Pune. It is always cooler by at least 2 degrees compared to other areas. It is situated in the midway from Maid City and Hinjewadi and the other software parks. It has main water storage of PMC, hence virtually no water shortage. Balewadi. Balewadi is a part of the city of Pune in India. It is located in the western part of the city and is famous for the Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sport Complex. Balewadi, along with neighboring areas of Aundh and Banir, are planned for development as part of the Border Smart Cities mission initiated by Government of India in 2015. The selected area will be developed as a model to be replicated in other parts of the city. It is linked to Pune Municipal Corporation, Pune Cantonment, Chinchwad and Anandi by Pune Mahanagar Parivahan Mahamandal Limited (PMPML) buses. The Katraj Dehu Road corridor passes through Balewadi. It is connected to Pune via Bani Road. There are PM-PML buses going to Hinjewadi via Balewadi. Bus rapid transit is planned from airport to Balewadi from Pune Municipal Corporation. Wakad. Wakad is a very nice location. It is well connected to Pune Mumbai Expressway. Nearby Hinjewadi IT Park, well developed area in prime location. The phenomenal growth of Wakad can be attributed to the coming up of the Infotech and Biotechnology Park at Hinjewadi close to the Pune Mumbai Expressway West. Many school, college and hospitals also as a result. It is seen as an ideal residential destination in Pune. It is also close to three proposed bus rapid transit routes, namely Nashik Fata Wakad, Aundh Ravet, and Kalewadi Fata Dehu Alandi Road. Construction of the BRT corridors is currently under progress. Towards the east are Pimple Nilak, Pimple Saudagar, and Aundh. Towards the south are the Mula River, Banir, Pashan, and Balewadi, Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sport Complex, and towards the north are Thirgaon, Akurdi, Chinchwad, and Ravet. Aundh. Aundh is a good locality. It is perfect mix of quiet residential lanes and buzzing commercial areas. It is one of the most green areas even with so many people living here. Some residential lanes like Saniwadi, Pushpak Park are serene and full of trees, yet a minute walk away from busy commercial hubs. Aund has plenty of hospitals, schools, Western Mall with Cinepolis, IMAX theaters, and lots of restaurants. Aund has a huge cafe culture with plenty of small cafes and eateries always filled with young people. Streets have some traffic during peak hours, especially around the mall. The Pune Smart City concept has been applied to some streets in Aund, which makes it very pedestrian friendly. Also, public transport has been boosted by public bicycles, which make short commutes easy. There are special cycle lanes for cyclists. So, all this makes a perfect place for residing or doing business. Mahanunge. Mahalunge is selected for high-tech city, which is plus one than smart city. It is connected to Ring Road and had great connectivity to Baner, Hinjewadi and Mumbai-Bangalore Expressway. The biggest advantage of residential properties in Baner Annex is the proximity to finest residential locales like Baner, Aund, Pimple Nilok and Pimple Saudagar that are buzzing with lifestyle and employment alike. Mumbai-Pune-Bangalore highway itself passes through Wakad and thus makes this suburb an important one and further along intersects with Aund Dravid BRTS at Mahalunge, a busy junction. Hinjewadi. The locality is very good near all markets and others. The social infrastructure in Pune is refined, which enables the residents to get a seamless approach to the schools and hospitals in the locality. You will enjoy the lifestyle conditions in the complex with everything within your reach. A number of IT hubs has been developed in the city and several MNCs have expanded to Pune in recent years. The employment potential of the city is great. Besides, corporate employees migrating to the city can get quality homes close to their office. Pimple Saudagar. Pimple Saudagar is a preferred location by software professionals to reside due to the close proximity of the Hinjawadi Software Park, easy access to Pune city and Mumbai Bangalore highway. All basic needs is nearby from this location, such as a marketplace, mall shopping center, hospitals, schools, and banks. Pimple Nilak. Pimple Nilak is very near to Pune IT hub Hinjawadi. PMPML and private transport facilities near to key locations like Hinjewadi IT Park, Aund, Banir, University of Pune. It is also near to NH4 Express Highway. It is just 8 km from University and 4 km from Aund. Best suitable IT professionals working in Hinjewadi. Bumkar Chowk. Bumkar Nagar is a nice locality for working bachelors and students. This locality has plenty of street food stalls are available near Indira College and D.Y. Patil College. Snack shop at Bumkar Chowk and Hinjewadi Bridge. It is 5 to 7 minute drive from Hinjewadi IT Park. The road connecting to IT Park is wide 4-lane road. The locality is right next to Pune Mumbai Expressway, hence convenient for people who needs to travel frequently to Mumbai. The locality had seen enormous interest by builder to launch project due to proximity to Hinjewadi. Almost all reputed builders of Pune are constructed their projects in this locality. Akshar Elementa, Web Residency, Royal Entrada, Royal Glory, the address Beverly Hills, Opus 77 are among few good ready to move societies near Bumkar Nagar. Punavle. Punavle is a very good location. It is so close to Hinjewadi. Mumbai Expressway is just 2 km away. It is very near to vegetable markets, shops, hotels, hospitals, and banks. Transport facility is also good in this locality. Tathawde. Tathawde is the new Wakad only 500 meters from Bumkar Chowk. It has all civic amenities. Two MBA colleges are there in Tathawde. There are four schools in vicinity. All areas in Wakad are open lands which gives pleasure living. It is great option to invest and live as well. Ravit. Ravit has developed vastly in the and it has become a great locality to live now. However, the pollution is still minimal. It is equipped with nature's bounty pleasant for an evening stroll. The roads are excellent over here. The basket bridge, which is in Ravet, connects the core Pune city, Hinjewadi, and also NH4 and Mumbai Pune Expressway. Suggestion by Homespace Solutions. West side consists of two sides. Left side of Bombay Bangalore highway, which is consist of Areas like Bavdhan, Malunge, Hinchewadi, Punawle, and right side of Bombay, Bangalore, which have areas like Pashan, Bavdhan, Wakat, Banir, Balewadi, Aun, Bhumkar Chowk, Tathawde, and Ravit. So one can choose area right or left side of Bombay Bangalore highway.